Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brintzenhofe, certified master mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania. And today we're going to talk a little bit of how to check to see if your relay is bad. Now, on every vehicle, unfortunately, there's various types of relays. You have smaller relays, larger relays, relays controlling your power door locks, your power seats. You have relays controlling your starter, ignition system. So every relay is actually a little different on your vehicle. They're all wired, they're not all wired identically. So for me to sit here and explain to you how to diagnose each individual relay on every car would be a little difficult. But I'm going to try to explain to you the easiest way to find out if your relay is bad. If you have an inkling that your relay is bad, if you look in your fuse box, there's several different types of relays in here, but you have to find the one that is actually for the circuit you're looking at. We'll say this one is your starter relay. Now on the back of it you'll see several different prongs on here. You'll have a set for the power supply, you'll have a set coming from the computer, and then you'll have a ground that's usually activated by the computer that clicks this relay on. Now what happens basically is if you're looking to turn on basically your starter, this thing will be live pretty much all the way around, and when you go to turn the key on, it'll ground this circuit out here, and it makes the power flow through down to your starter. For me to sit here and explain to you how this is all wired down here would be a little rough. So the easiest way I can tell you is every fuse box, like I said, has several different relays in it. 90% of the time or 99% of the time there's more than one relay in here that is identical. So if you think you have one relay bad, the best thing I tell you is grab the one right next to it. They're all numbered on the top, and 90% of the time, like I said, you'll have one that's identical to that one, and just switch it in that spot. You'll know right off the bat when you go to try to start it then whether that relay is bad when you put another one over it that's known that's actually good. So that's the easiest way I can tell you how to diagnose a bad relay.